And so I think, though drones are fun and new, fireworks give you the full sensory experience. You can feel the thump in your chest. You can see the colors. It's just a full sensory experience. The drones are great, but then you're sitting there and you're seeing it, and it's like kind of watching TV, and it's fun because things move.
Yeah.
But I would definitely say the fireworks. So for me, I believe that both of them should be combined in every aspect because one allows you to do something that the other can't. So it's a great combo.
Okay.